Hold on a second. Okay, hi, this is Allie. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend too. Yeah. I'm going to videotape Thunder and Lightning. This should be entertaining. Yes, I am. I'm recording. My boyfriend just decided to be stupid and ask if I was recording. Or maybe he thought I was just talking to myself. Anyways, this is the entire point of the video. It's gonna stop because I'm videotaping now. You're not gonna be on Facebook because they can't even hear you. Come on! I'm terrified of lightning and thundering, but it's so entertaining. I can't leave. Whee! I don't know. Vito needs another knife. Well, that was a good lightning bolt too. He's getting bored. Whoa! No, I think I missed it. That is bull-donkeys. That's bull. That is bull anyways. You should have seen it. It was like so cool. The lightning was ginormous, and then the bolt, it curled, and then it went twice as, it was cool. I'm not leaving until this thunderstorm is over now. No way. The lightning is so entertaining. So I'm videotaping it. You should have seen the lightning before. It curled and went like this.
Really?
Yeah, really. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi.
What up?
Okay, bye. Those are my neighbors. I want to hang up, but I don't at the same time because I'd feel like an idiot just sitting here doing nothing but videotaping and not talking to someone. It is so entertaining. Oh. Oops, I burped. Ew, it's entertaining as hell. Damn it, I missed it again. Lucky me. I'm probably just gonna post it on YouTube or something because I have a YouTube account. Yeah. I love making videos. I'm gonna post a video of I had you on the phone and I was singing and shit. Singing and you were on speaker and talking and shit. So I'm gonna post that one up there. I need to make a YouTube